There are places in this world that aren't just buildings of brick and mortar. They are vessels of dreams, architects of futures, and guardians of countless stories. Mahadevi Birla Shishu Vihar is not just a school, it's a feeling. It is home.
Shishu Vihar is our joy and pride. Thy schools we will abide. Strive for the best is our aim, devoid of fear and of shame. Marching along with the heads held high, all difficulties we defy.
My teacher holds my hands and helps me. Ma'am shows us pictures. She never spoke. She only smiled. We sing songs and laugh.
I'm so proud of you, dear.
My teacher cares for me like my mother and comforts me when I'm sad.
These little ones, they come to us as tiny seeds and we water them with love, care and knowledge. These children are not my students. They are my children. Each and every one of them matters to me.
At Mahadevi Birla Shishu Vihar, we do not just teach, we nurture young minds. All the children who walk through the gates of our school are special.
Bagless days are the best days of our lives. No books, no heavy bags, no classes, just experiences. We learned to make things out of clay. Our hands were made dirty, but we learned something new. The Tinker Lab is our favorite place.
We don't just read about circuits, we build them.
Last month, I made a traffic light model, and when I showed it to my parents, they were so proud.
Last week, we visited the Amazon rainforest. Do you want to know how? Through VR.
उड़ने दो उड़ने दो
We integrate technology into the teaching and learning process because we believe technology cannot replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational.
The robotics program is about solving problems.
We learn to think, to innovate, and to create solutions.
This year, we designed a virtual EVM for our school head girl elections. The school election process was magical. We campaigned, debated, voted, and experienced democracy.
We also learn how India's constitution works and democracy functions.
When I won the election, I realized winning is not just about being ahead, it's about being with and for the students. I'm grateful to my school for always teaching me to become a responsible individual.
I am a very happy and satisfied parent. The prime reason why I gave her in this school is that this school provides her an excellent platform not only on the academic side but in every sphere.
Music room is my sanctuary. Dance class is where I found myself. Through photography, I learned to see beauty in ordinary things. I never knew I could design until I joined the fashion designing classes. We learned about textures, patterns, colors, and fibers.
When I walked on the ramp wearing my own design and won the inter-school competition, it felt like I conquered the world.
Clubs are where we discover our passion. I joined the Environment Club and learnt about climatic change, sustainability, and how small actions create big impacts. Participating in Model United Nations taught me how to handle complex geopolitical crises. It provided me insights into global issues and international relations, and it helped me develop my diplomacy skills.
It helped us think like real entrepreneurs and showcase our creativity. It was the perfect blend of competition and teamwork. The library is my escape. Every book is a doorway to the new world waiting to be explored.
Sports taught me discipline and teamwork. Many of us got a chance to participate in the national level in different sports.
Sports Day is not just about winning. I didn't just win a medal last year. I won something way bigger than that. It is cheerful memories that I will cherish and keep in my heart for a lifetime.
Whatever I have achieved today is because of my school, Mahadevi Birla Shishu Vihar. It is my foundation. My school has given me wings to fly with and opportunities to excel.
Here, we are taught through experiences. When we visited old age homes and orphanages in rural schools, we did not just learn about empathy, we witnessed it in every smile and story. Community service is not just a program at our school, it's a way of life. Our school teaches that true happiness comes from giving and sharing with others. When we started community service program, we wanted to instill the value of empathy. Our children don't see this service as a kind of charity. They see it as a way of making connections.
Our school doesn't just prepare us for exams, it prepares us for life.
Here we learn not only to succeed, but also to face failure, rise again, and balance our dreams with reality.
It shapes our minds, our spirits, and helps us grow into better individuals.
During our tough times, our teachers and counselors always guide us. They are more than our teachers, they are our guardians. Teaching here is a calling. Our teenagers are at the crossroads of their lives, and we teachers not only guide them in their studies but also in their lives. When a student reaches out to me, I see courage in action, a great soul seeking help. We never let her down, never.
When I was young, school felt like a place to learn subjects, but now it feels like a second home. I still remember Teachers' Day. We decorated, performed, and made our teachers smile. Memories aren't just made, they are felt. We are from different cultures, different backgrounds, and different religions. But when we dance together in circles, we are one. Our school teaches us to celebrate diversity, embrace differences, and to be united. Candy Cane Lane, the most magical day of the year. The entire school turns into a winter wonderland. We have food, games, music, everything. But the best part, we all work together to organize it.
My child is studying now in lower infant. I'm really very happy with Mahadevi Birla Shishu Vihar.
The teaching and non-teaching staffs are very cooperative. I miss school every single day. Not the homework, not the exams, but the feeling. The feeling of belonging. The feeling of being surrounded by the people who cared.
Our mission is simple yet profound: to make every child feel seen, heard, loved, and valued.
Years will pass. Children will grow. They will leave these corridors and step into the world. But something will always remain: memories, lessons, friendships, and love. Because Mahadevi Birla Shishu Vihar is not just a phase of life.
It's a foundation, a home, a feeling that never fades.
What is MBSD?
It's home. It is where I became who I am. It's where every child matters.